There's a new method with which you can get your 4,000 watch hour very fast and easy. You know, I didn't just discover this method though. I've been using this method for a while. And since I've been using this method to stream my live, I have recorded significant high in my watch hours. For example, take a look at this particular live stream. I streamed it using this particular method. Take a look at this particular live stream again. I streamed this live stream using this method. Now, before I started using this particular method, I don't used to have this kind of audience or this kind of views in my live stream. And the beautiful thing about this particular live stream, whether you are a faceless channel or not, you can actually stream using this particular method and you will get your 4,000 watch hour very fast. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your word. This is Amogo's Concept and I'm back with another mind-blowing information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share so other people can get this good news. This method is so amazing. Like, this is not even restreaming. Like, if you're someone that don't like to put their face on the camera or you're camera shy, you don't like to do live stream, okay, this is not even restreaming. Like, if you don't want to put your face on the camera, this method allows you to have your live stream very effectively and have your watch hour and your audience. So make sure you watch this video to the end and don't miss any part so that you'll be able to set up and learn how to live stream through this method I'm about to show you.
You will go to Google and type Pixel, Pexelx, pixels.com, and then you enter it. When it opens, this is how the interface will look like. Then you scroll. I don't want to register, so I'll just scroll down. See all these pictures you're seeing here. You can see all this download icon. You can click on any of the pictures. Do not download videos because what we're going to use is picture. If you don't like any of this picture, you can equally search for an image. You can search for, if you are a lady, you search ladies photos, then you click on search. If you're a guy, then you click on guys, or if your live stream is about connecting with people, you type something related to what you want, but put a picture that will be kind of catchy. So I love this wedding picture so much, so I'll click on it. Yes, so I've downloaded it. So the next thing I will do now is download it, as you can see. So I'm going to exit this page right now.
So now we're headed to our YouTube app. So you open your YouTube app, then you click on this plus sign, and then you edit your live stream. You put your title, silent live stream, like, and subscribe. Then you can add an emoji. Okay, so when you are done with that, you click on the visibility to make it public so that your live stream will be public to anyone on YouTube. The next thing, you select audience. If it's a program that is not made for kids, you select not made for kids. But if the program, the live stream involves kids, you click yes, it is made for kids. So you add a description if you want to describe your live stream, what it's about. But if you don't want to add, I usually don't add description in all my live streams. So when you're done with that, now this is the trick I said I was going to show people that don't want to put their face out there. You click on go live, okay? Then you put your camera to face something else and you swipe your camera backward like this, you see that this camera, my phone pouch is behind, it is on the camera behind. So now you click on this green screen. You click on the green screen. So even if I put my face here in the camera, nobody is going to see my face. My face is not showing, but I'm live. Then once you click on this green screen, it is the sixth icon in your left hand side, in your right hand side. Once you click on it, then you click on that picture we downloaded. So your screen looks like this. So when people join your live stream, they'll be wondering, oh, what is really going on in this live stream? And they will stay for a while to watch and be wondering what is going on. And before you know, your watch hour will be accumulating and your audience will be increasing. Now, personally, I don't put random pictures to stream my live stream. So I put my personal pictures when I'm streaming. If you want to put your personal picture, you can equally go and search your personal picture. This is the recent one I've been using. So you can put your personal picture, and when people join your live stream, this is exactly what they will be seeing. Now, if you're not a faceless channel and you want your face to show once in a while, you want to interact with your audience, you can always swipe your camera forward and your face will be visible to people in your live stream. Okay, it is very easy. Now, this trick is specifically for the faceless channel. So once you're live, once you click on the live icon to go live, once the interface opens like this, make sure you swipe your camera like this, then you edit your title. Set it to public. Then you click on go live. So now we are live, and you can see that from the beginning of the live stream, your face is not showing. Now you click on your green screen and add it. You are set, you are live. So you can stream for as long as you want to stream this live stream. And when you are done with the live stream, you just click on this icon here to end the live stream. So this is for the faceless channel who don't put their face out there. So like I said, since I started using this particular method, I have recorded a significant amount of increase in my watch hours. You know, there was a particular day I was streaming, and I was streaming live, and people keep trooping into my live stream. They keep trooping in just because of a particular green screen that I use on that live stream. You know, at the end of that live stream, the lowest audience I had was 20. You know, so try this out. It will definitely help you achieve your 4,000 watt hour very fast and easy. I hope you got value from this particular video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and drop me your comments and share it so other people can get this beautiful information that is helping people monetize their YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in my next one.